Hey, just when we thought we were going home, we got another call. The whole building's backing up in Gulfport. You want to go or not? Time to go. You better get a Red Bull or a Dr. Pepper or something. Let's go. Rusty, you ready? If you're gonna be a service plumber, you can't bank on going home at a regular time. You can't decide when plumbing problems happen. It's fun though, man. We're gonna go to Gulfport and we're gonna save the day. So we're on the job here. The manhole looks like, I can't see where it's clogged, but it's clogged upstream, so we're gonna run the jetter for a little bit. Water's flowing fine again. Saving the day, one job at a time.